A semi-truck accident attorney is a lawyer who specializes in motor vehicle cases, focusing mainly on tractor-trailer vehicles. These kinds of machines are very large vehicles that tow heavy loads from one area to another. Big rigs generally consist of a cab with a large engine and provisions to tow or trail an even larger unit housing heavy loads. There are limits to these loads and the weight they constitute in accordance to the capacity of each vehicle and what the state law allows. Drivers need to have a special license to operate one. There are also many specific laws that pinpoint these kinds of transportation on the road as well as their maintenance. Accidents. A semi-truck accident attorney is called upon when this kind of motor vehicle has met an accident. In most cases, there are lawsuits that are filed against the driver of the unit or the owner of the said unit due to a traffic mishap that has occurred. The person who files the suit is usually the one who is on the receiving end of injuries or damage. Smaller automobiles are prime victims of big rigs because they may get damaged easily when there is a mishap due to the often stark contrast in size. Lawyer role and responsibilities following an accident involving a large transport vehicle. A semi-truck accident attorney should be hired as soon as possible. In many instances of such accidents, the trucking company will send representatives that are very quick to settle the mishap before the aggrieved individual can consult with a legal professional. It is important that the person not sign anything or even verbally agree to anything on the scene of the accident. The legal professional will assess the case and advise his or her client regarding the best way to receive compensation or justice for what has happened. If a loved one has been lost, there are many specific cases that can be filed against the driver of the vehicle as well as the company that owns it. It is a role of the client's representative to find out the state of the driver and the rules that govern his employment. Since each state has different laws about these kinds of transportation, a semi-truck accident attorney should be familiar with the whereabouts of the accident and the laws of the locale. Hiring specialized legal representatives can help you immensely as they have years of experience handling similar cases. It is the representative's role and responsibility to quickly assess the situation upon consultation with the client and present options with which to proceed with the case. Insurance companies are also another aspect of a traffic mishap that concerns trailer trucks of this variety. Many insurance companies hedge their responsibilities, especially when there is death involved or when the compensation is great. A semi-truck accident attorney needs to be able to connect with certain networks to get the client's desired results.